And today I'm sharing some time with Midge Murphy. Hello, Midge.
Hello, Gary.
And thanks for taking time out today to join us. And you're going to help us with a very important subject here, aren't you? Because a lot of people get involved with tapping and EFT and other energy methods and have really got a good heart and they want to get out there and they want to spread the word, but they can fall foul, can't they, of different things. And this is where you come in, isn't it?
Exactly. What I do is I have a PhD in energy medicine. I'm also an attorney, and I've blended the two worlds together to really work about teaching people about the ethics and legal issues and risk management strategies that need to be implemented in order to be successful in terms of offering your healing services to the public, whether it's with EFT or any other kind of energy healing method. So I'm really about empowering my clients to understand what the risks are, because they do exist because of the inherent natural way our legal system works here in the United States in terms of bringing in innovative energy-based types of techniques to the public, which is something that is really cutting edge, not part of mainstream medicine. We hope at some point it will be, and that's our goal, is to be able to integrate something like EFT into the mainstream healthcare field and not have our practitioners being subject to different kinds of legal vulnerabilities.
And a lot of, as I said earlier, a lot of people do really get tripped up with all this, don't they? Because would you say that it's complicated, what needs to be done?
It's extremely complicated because the nature of how our legal system works here in the United States is that every state is different. So depending on which state you're actually practicing in, those laws and regulations that apply to you could be different. For instance, in California, they have a healthcare freedom law, which gives a little bit more maneuverability. It's called a safe harbor law. So if you comply with the law and you make sure you have a proper client informed consent agreement, then you can actually do more energy healing work or healing arts work with people without the threat of being charged with practicing medicine without a license. So I'm really about empowering and protecting practitioners. And what I'm going to talk about specifically at the Northwest Tappers Gathering, which I'm very excited about, with Alina Frank and Craig Weiner, is I'm going to focus on the legalities of marketing yourself as an EFT practitioner in particular. And so some of the topics I'm going to include is really going to be focusing on websites, because just about every EFT practitioner I know has a website. It's a great way to get clients and to get the word out about yourself, but that means you're also exposing yourself to a lot of legal potential problems, mainly because you don't really know what the laws and regulations are that apply to you when you have a website.